Holy! Something's burning here, oh my god! Well, hey there and welcome back to AussieMotoVlogs. My name's Brendan, and as you can clearly see, I am not on the Ninja. No, I am on my brand new, sweet KTM 1090 Adventure. I literally just left the store with this bad boy and I couldn't be happier. I am so beyond stoked about this bike. Like, you know? It's so good. I went for a test ride with it on a couple days ago. And holy, this thing has some power, I'll tell you. The Ninja, nothing compares. This outshines the Ninja. Don't get me wrong, the Ninja will always be near and dear to my heart. But this bike is just something else entirely. Seating wise, I'm not cramped up like I once was on the Ninja. It's actually I'm very, very comfortable on this. But no, it is it's a gosh dang beautiful bike. I'm still obviously learning about like what's what, but definitely I'm going to run through some videos with you about it. Seriously, looking forward to riding properly. And if you're unaware, this means that the trip, the infamous Tasmania trip, is finally going to be underway. This was the last piece of the puzzle, and now we can start properly saving for the trip. It's all coming up Millhouse. Oh, that's so good! Words cannot describe how I feel. What a great bike, man. One thing I'm not liking about it, or it's because I'm not used to it, is the clutch. I'm not used to the friction zone on it. It's very much like completely open, like I think Dean's bike is. But the bike is officially mine. It sounds mean. I like it. I don't know if I should go to Dean's yet. We are kind of in peak hour traffic at the moment, so it's a bit iffy. But for sure, I'm definitely going to. I have to take it to Dean, don't I? Just to rub it in his face just a wee bit. I might take it to Dean. But no, I definitely can see myself taking my trip on this motorbike. Oh no, this is the KTM 2017 Adventure R, I think it is. So it's a few years older, but there's not much difference that I noticed in like the other models. So plus this one was like 10 times cheaper than the other models as well. So I can't complain. Obviously I don't have all my like bits and bobs on the bike at the moment, so you know, I don't have my like phone holder or really any space for the cameras yet. I haven't taken this off yet that says it's a rental, whatever. But all of that can come off later when I get home. As much as I would like to lane filter right now, because it's my first time on this bike. I don't know if trust myself is the right word. I'm not really sure I trust like how big and wide this bike is. So unfortunately, didn't want to do a farewell ride bike video to the Ninja, because in my mind it was you know, a bit of a... I had that bike before I ever started the channel, so it was more like my own personal time with it rather than making a video about it. One thing I'm finding annoying about this bike is finding the neutral gear. It's a pain in the ass to locate. Because yeah, normally it's like a half click up, but I don't know, the gear lever feels a bit weird. But again, that might just be because I'm not used to it yet. This is only my second day ever riding this bike. But the day of the test ride was a complete, like, accident. I had no intentions of riding it that day. But the team over at enthusiast Carrying Bar, I mentioned them a few videos ago during one of the vlogs. I think we were going there for something. But honestly, they went above and beyond for me to organize this bike for me. Like, I absolutely love their team. One thing I am noticing about it so far is something I had a complaint about with the Ninja. There's actually a goddamn gear thing there. So at least I know what gear I'm in. So if you remember, I always complained that I kept forgetting what gear I was in. I was always guessing at that. But no, that's such a handy thing just to be able to like glance down and see. Like, I'm probably like 10 minutes away from the Carrying Bar store. I'm kind of already getting the friction point down. So it's not hard to learn it, it's just inconvenient. Well, this is the ultimate test, a hill start. So let's follow my video and see if I can replicate my video for you. So we've got our foot on the rear brake, as I stated in the past. We're going to apply some throttle soon, and then slowly release the clutch and hold it at the friction point. Alright, here we go. Oh, he's got it! He's got it! I hope my headlight's on, I didn't actually look. I'm pretty sure it is. So this bike has come with the, not a stock standard exhaust, it's the, I can't pronounce it properly. I think it's Acropovic, something like that. But it's not stock standard exhaust. But hey, that's fine by me. It's going to take a little bit of learning, but especially with all of this, I don't know what any of this is. But I have the instruction book, so I'll give it a read and I'll make a video about it for you when I understand it. There is something I did test on my test ride, and that is, it actually does tell you if you're redlining the bike and if you need to change gears. I spotted it. It pops up like here. It flashes red when you need to change gears because you're redlining. Oh no, the suspension on this, holy, it's so bouncy. The seat so far, because I think I rode it for about half hour. But the seat so far, even in my half hour on the test ride, it is miles better than the Ninja. Although I don't know what drive mode it is. Straight. Like, what the hell is that? I'm gonna keep punching this mirror every single time. Throughout the entire test ride, when I'm trying to put my hand back on the handlebars, I've always just like clocked that mirror. I'm just not used to having them very close to me. Because they are really close. And I'm not sure if the camera does it justice, but I could probably headbutt them, like, if I leaned forward and a bit to the left. So don't be so surprised if like one day you see the mirror missing because I've like bloody knocked it off. Not that I punched that harder. But they feel really sturdy, which I quite like. As for blind spots on the mirrors, whilst I'm still slightly adjusting, that's not bad. I think my left one's adjusted pretty perfectly. My right one needs a little bit more adjusting. This bike is really, really light to like toss around. It surprised me when I did the test ride just how light this bike actually is. Oh, we have some beautiful scenery coming up. Can't wait to show you. Although it looks like there's a fire. There it is. Did you see it? That was the redlining light. Holy! Wait, there actually is a fire. What the hell's going on out here? That smells like, yeah, that definitely smells like a forest fire. What? Holy! Something's burning here. Oh my god! Let's get the hell out of here because I'm struggling to breathe. I'm asthmatic as is. I don't need to be in a fucking forest fire. Tell me the Ninja can do this, man! Holy! Bye, bitch! I'm not even going that fast. I am going the speed limit. It's just, I don't know, it's so torquey. I love every minute of this bike. I'm only in third gear. Should I let Dean ride it? He doesn't get his full license, so technically he's illegal to ride it until like next week. Should I let him ride it? Or should I just keep him in suspense? I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. It's blowing my mind. I'm so comfy. This is my first ever actual upgrade from the Ninja. And so far, I have no regrets. Well, my takeoffs are getting a little bit better. But all of that comes with time and experience on the bike. But for my second day riding, for me to not have stalled yet, I'm going to take that as a big win. Oh no, that's not true. I stalled. I stalled before I turned the camera on, but that was my own stupidity. Much like the Ninja, this bike has a safety kill switch, which if your kickstand is down, the bike will actually not turn on. And if the bike is on and you put the kickstand down, it will shut off immediately. So it is a little safety feature I did notice because it kind of caught me by surprise. Expect a lot of content now. There's been a content slump, and that's mainly because we were both waiting for these bikes. Oh, me for this, Dean's not sure if he's actually mentioned it in the video yet, so I don't want to say anything, just in case. But I do know what Dean's getting, because he's already got that set up for next week. So, yeah. It's the content slump is over. Alrighty, that's going to be the end of this video. Obviously I don't want to dox myself, and I'm almost home. So I hope you enjoyed this brief ride and this brief look at my brand new bike. I will definitely be seeing you very soon for another video. So for now, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.